Hello friends, my name is Anupam and welcome to our very first QBasic tutorial. In this tutorial we will learn how to download QBasic and getting started with it. So let the tutorial begin. First let me introduce you to QBasic. Q stands for quick and basic stand for beginners all purpose symbolic instruction code. So QBasic stand for Quick Beginners All-Purpose Symbolic Instruction Code. It was founded by the mathematician John George Kimney and Tom Kudzas in 1963 at Dartmouth College. So before starting we have to download the software called QBasic. For this I have provided the links in the description. You can go through these links and download it very easily. You will notice that I have provided two links in the description box. First for QBasic 64 and second for QBasic 45. QBasic 64, as its name suggested, it is the latest version of QBasic, and QBasic 45 is the older one. QBasic 64 setup file is of 100 MB. It will runs on both 32 bits as well as 64 bits PC. It can make a portable exe file, so you can run the program in another PC very easily. QBasic 45 setup file is of 1 MB. It will runs on 32 bits PC only. It can't make a portable exe file, so you have to run it on your own PC in which you have written the program. In this tutorial, I will use QBasic 64 as it can make a exe file. So, before getting started with QBasic, we have to learn some of its statements. Every programming language uses keywords as a statement with certain syntax. A keyword have specific meaning in QBasic programming. The statements are first stored in memory and executed only when run command is given. A statement for QBasic is an instruction written by using commands of QBasic. There are 4 basic statements in QBasic. First CLS, second input, third print, fourth end. CLS stand for clear screen. It helps to clear the output screen. Input helps to collect data from the user. Print helps to display anything on the output screen. End helps to stop the program. We will use these 4 statements to make our first program in this tutorial. So, let's discuss about these 4 statements in brief. Statement 1. CLS, clear screen. As I have told you that it helps to clear the output. The next is input. It helps to take input or data from the user. We will take it only as an individual alphabet, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H or anything you want. For example, if you want to ask someone's name, you have to type this program. Input, what is your name, and let it be A. Anything the user will type, QBasic take it as A and show the result as A. These are 2 more examples. You can ask these types of question or anything you want from this input state. The next is print. By using this tag or statement, you can print anything you want in your output screen. For example, if I want to print my name on the output screen, I have to type this program. Print, my name is Anupam. I love to upload videos on YouTube. I'm using print tag. These are the use of print tag. You can use it and display anything on your output. So the last one is the end statement. If you have written a program, it is very important to use the end tag, otherwise the program will never run. For example, if you have written an HTML program, you have definitely used these tags. HTML start helps to start the program and HTML end helps to end the program. it is denoted by the forward slash. This end statement in QBasic is basically used to complete our program. So again, if you have written a program, you have to use this end tag to end your program perfectly. So again, these are the 4 common statements by which we will make our first program on this tutorial. So before making our first program, we should know these 3 rules of QBasic. All QBasic programs are made up of series of statements which are executed in the order in which they are written. Every statement should have at least one QBasic command word. The words that BASIC recognizes are called keywords. All the command words have to be written using some standard rules which are called syntax rule. Syntax is a grammar of writing the statement in a language. Syntax errors are generated when improper syntax is and now we are ready to make our first program in QBasic. So you have downloaded this zip file. I have told you that I am using QBasic 64 in this tutorial. So after downloading this zip file, let's extract it over here. This is a big file, so it may take some time. So after extracting, you will get this file over here, QB64, which means QBasic 64. So let's go to this, and here you will find QBasic 64 application. Just open it. Okay, now I am so this is our QBasic window, and in this we are going to program a software which asks for name, age and hobby. For this we will use the input statement and we have to print it on the output screen. For this we will use the print statement. So let's begin. First of all, we have to clear the screen. For this we will use the CLS statement. Now we have to take input. So input, any input statement. After the input statement we have to make a sentence like, what is your name? So we will put this sentence in between the double inverted commas, like input, what is your name, and then question mark. Then we have to put the semicolon, then name, dollar. We have put this dollar because name is a group of letters. So whenever you want to take input of a name or a group of letters, we have to put this dollar. After that, input, between double inverted comma, what is your age, question mark, close. We have to put some space. Okay, now we have to put the semicolon. Age is a number, so we don't have to put this dollar, just put age let it be age A. Then again input, what is your hobby, question mark, space, then the semicolon. Hobby is also a group of letters, so we have to put this dollar sign, hobby dollar. Okay, now we have to print this on the output screen, so we have to use the print statement. So print again, if we want to put a sentence in the print like your name, then your age, then your hobby, we have to put this sentence in between this double inverted commas. So your name, comma, semicolon, name dollar. This will print the name dollar as your name, then double inverted comma, your age, semicolon, just A, as we take it as A. Again double inverted comma, your hobby, semicolon, hobby dollar, as we take it as hobby dollar. So after this we have to end this program. For this we will use the end statement. Now our program is complete, so we have to run it. For running we have to press F5 or simply go to run and start. I've told you that it is QBasic 64, so it will first create the exe file, then start it. It is creating the exe file. We have to wait for some time, then it will start the program. So this black screen is our output screen. It asks for what is your name. My name is Anupam, so I will type Anupam. Anupam is a group of letter ANUPAM, so that's why we put this dollar sign. Then after typing our name we have to press enter. Then what is your age? My age is 15, so 15. Then enter. What is your hobby? Uploading videos in YouTube. Sorry, in YouTube. So after all these inputs we have to press enter, and our inputs will printed on this screen. Enter. You can see that your name Anupam, your age 15, your hobby uploading videos in YouTube. This all is messed up, so we have to make it correct. Your name, after that we have to put some space. So after your age, after your hobby, we have to put some space. Okay, so press enter. Your name, after that we have to put some space, so space. Your age, your hobby, put some space, then it's all right. Again we have to press F5 or run the program. It will again create the exe file, then start the program. Just creating the exe file of my PC. Now it is starting the program. So again, what is your name? Anupam. Enter. What is your age? 15. Enter. What is your hobby? Uploading videos on YouTube. Then we have to press enter. All our information is printed on the output screen. Your name, your age, your hobby, all this. Again we have to press the enter. So this is our first programming in QBasic 64. Thanks for watching. Hope this video will help you. If you like this video, give a big thumb up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks again.